Great day, beauties. Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. Hey, that humming in the background is my dehydrator. I didn't realize it was so loud, but look at here. I have an all-natural, non-GMO, organic fruit roll. No added sugars, none whatsoever. No extra ingredients, nothing but fruit and another little goodie that I cannot disclose to you guys unless you are in my virtual workshop. So go to my website located in the description box and click that link. Sign up for the workshop. These natural, organic, healthy snacks will make you want to love your mama, okay? It tastes really, really good and it's amazing for you. This fruit roll is really good for our gut health, gut bacteria, because everything starts in the gut. So let's take care of our gut health. It's really amazing for our immunity. Listen, this is a recipe you're going to want. This is a recipe you're going to want in your arsenal, okay? Beauties, don't wait for the right time. Don't say I'm going to start Monday, Tuesday, next week, next month, after Labor Day. Do it now. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. Remember, click that link in the description box.